What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to merge huge PDF file in Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, open your Photoshop app. Here you can see it's a 2019 version. You can use more update version or less. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. So first of all, if you have any unnecessary tab, then close all the tabs. And then here you can see I have some PNG file. You can use PNG, JPG, PDF, any kind of file to merge in Photoshop. I want to merge all the file from here. So select all the file and then open to Photoshop. Now here is all the file. Go to file and then click to automatic, hover over the PDF presentation, click here and then again click to add open files. Now you can see all the files are available. You can now reorganize the serial by drag and drop. After that, click to save and select your position where you want to save this one. Like I want to save as a sample file. Then click to save. And now you can select the sizes, high quality print or smallest file size. Basically I like to use smallest file size and then click to save PDF. You can also select the high quality print also and then click to save PDF, and that's it. Now I hope you understand how to merge PDF file using Photoshop. You can merge a huge PDF file using this method. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.